What's up, YouTube? So we have today a 2012 Hyundai Elantra, and I have, I believe it is to be a P0014. And from my limited search, it's limited. From my limited search, it's believed to be the VVT Solenoid. Now, typically they're dirty, or they could be bad. So when I researched it, it's anywhere from 120 to 250 bucks for one. So I'm hoping it's just dirty. So when I looked at my sticker right here, it says the last due service was May 16th of 21, and this is.
How you doing, sir?
It's my neighbor. This is May of the last due service was May of 21, and this is February of 2024. And the miles were 146,870, and right now we have 171,818. So, based on the condition and how dirty and nasty this car was, I'm assuming they never even changed the oil at all. So, we're gonna do a motor flush. And hopefully this will get all the crud and all the other stuff off the VVT solenoid, and then it should be on the exhaust side. So then after the motor flush, while it's draining, I'm gonna go ahead and pull the VVT solenoid, clean it out, replace it, put the oil in, drain it, put the oil in, replace the filter, put all that back in. And I'm gonna clear the code and drive it. Hopefully, just hopefully, I won't have to go spend this $150 to $250 just to clear this code. Okay, so basically instructions say, check to make sure it's oil in the crankcase and it's level. Make sure the engine is cool. Put it in there for 5 minutes and then drain the oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in there. All right, let's go ahead and get this cap off. Check the bottom of it. Oh yeah, as you can see, look at that. Look at that. All of that ain't supposed to be on there. So we definitely sludged up, but we're gonna take care of that now. So get my filter. Like slow. I'll get that later. Alright, so we're gonna pour it in there straight into the crankcase. Gonna do the whole bottle. The only concern at this part is this car is new to me, and I didn't check and see if the oil pan drain plug had any issues. That would just suck. Alright. Go ahead and get my stopwatch together. Put the cap on. Right back. Key in, start the car, start my timer. Got 5 minutes. It says 1:12 currently, so I'm gonna let it run. Checking the light is on. Check the codes earlier. 15 seconds in. All right, so we about to hit our 5-minute mark. Here we go. Car off. Stop the clock. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put this thing in the air. Locate the drain plug that hopefully is in great shape. Drain the oil, change the filter, and while it's draining, I'll take the VVT solenoid out. Okay, so the part that y'all been waiting for, here's the VVT solenoid. And it's basically the exact opposite of this one. This would be the intake on the front, intake, exhaust, closer to the exhaust. See what this wire is right here? And it fits right there into this solenoid. So basically this solenoid is on the back side of the engine, just like that. So let's do a quick inspection. See all that crud back there? This is even after the flush. So I'm gonna try to clean that up. Probably some bench test it, but I'm being lazy right now. Try to clean that up, and hopefully this oil change helps. What's up, y'all? So we back. Okay, second part. It's a new day, the next day. Let me get in the car. Oh, new day, next day, and we are in this Hyundai. The Hyundai Elantra. Let's go ahead and see. I put about 80 miles on this thing yesterday. And let's see if my codes are still active. So we're in Lincoln. So what I'm going to tell you guys, what I did was basically I did the engine oil flush that you saw. Oh, look at that. You see that green light? All green, no codes. We're in the game, baby. We are in the game. We are going to go get emissions and be done with this, and this car will be for sale. I'm just happy about that part. But what I did was I did pull out the VVT solenoid, and I basically cleaned it with some parts cleaner, brushed it up with a old toothbrush, soft, and sprayed a little WD-40, tried to get it cleaned up. And apparently it worked. I reinstalled it, put it back in, did the oil change. Y'all saw that part, and here we go. You just said that's proof. So hopefully the engine flush helped, and me taking it out and cleaning it helped, and I just saved $250. I'm Chris with McMath Autos. Thanks for watching. Peace.